Hi guys. Just put this to the Abs here with another crafting video for ya. I've really reflected the past 3 days of 100-degree weather in Los Angeles. And what I've come to conclude is I need one thing in this life to be happy. And that thing is central AC. AC, central AC, central AC, central. Yeah, I tried to manifest it. Didn't happen. If you are someone who has central AC right now, you are blessed. The universe loves you. This is actual footage of a real sweat drop going down my leg. So today, while it feels like an oven in my apartment, I want to actually put something in my oven. Oh, that sounded dirty. Put pottery in my oven. Put clay. I'm gonna kiln some clay. Okay, y'all are dirty. I turned off my fan, so I've got to make this super quick. I have found these cool bohemian earth tone clay rainbows online. I find them in boutique stores all over the place, and they're so cute and so hip, but they're always $100. Which I do not have. But I do have some chump change from Michael's where I can get some sculpey polymer clay, like a plastic substitute for ceramic clay. It's the cheap stuff. And I do have money for a few things of paint, and I do have an oven. So we're making a beautiful clay rainbow. Okay, fans back on. Step 1, assemble your clay. I'm just gonna smooth this out. If there's any breaks in the clay, that might break when it hardens. So I try to smooth those out so that it's all just one piece of clay. For regular sculpey, which is what this is, it's not primo, it says to bake for 15 minutes for every 1/4 inch of thickness. Now, if you look at the bottom here, this is about, I'd say like 1.5 inches thickness maybe. So I'm thinking maybe 1.5 hours. Y'all, real talk, do not try to make any plates or bowls with polymer clay. It is not good to eat food off of plastic clay because of toxins. It's perfectly okay to bake in the oven because it specifically says oven bake clay, but don't try to make those sorts of items. I will not be eating off of this rainbow, so I am a-okay. I'm gonna put it at 275 degrees, which for reference, it takes 350 degrees to bake a batch of cookies. So this is not hot. I mean, it is hot. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like 400, 500 degrees, but it is, it's pretty cool. I'm scared of heat. I'm scared of heat. So while that's cooking, I have a recommendation for you. I suggest that you watch Work It while it bakes, because this is a badass movie with Liza Koshy, who is a YouTuber, and Sabrina Carpenter, who is hilarious. And it's giving me To All the Boys I Loved Before vibes, and it was just a really enjoyable to watch. And we're done with the movie. It was great. Thank you for asking. And it has been 1 hour and 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes I checked to see whether it was burning, and I took it out just a little bit early because I think that it had gotten to the hardness that I wanted. And so we are ready for step 3. Step 3. This came out so good. You can hear it. Hard as a rock. I just keep on saying sexual things. I'm sorry. I'm going to do a sneaky little thing and mix the white and the brown to get kind of a light brown base color to make it look like it's ceramic clay. It's the expensive stuff. Okay, so this is my color palette, and I'm going to do my lovely rainbow. a third grader or was it made by a pro? I'll never tell.
Super cute, and I love how it's kind of lopsided, kind of asymmetrical. That's the style right now. I'm gonna put all the supplies that I used down below, and as always, leave me your comments. I'd love to hear them, and I'd love to see your clay creation. Stay cool, guys. See you next time.